Shepherd.
Correct. What nationality is tennis player Rafael Nadal?
Spanish.
Correct. A Cooper hatch are commonly made from the fur of which animal?
Rabbit.
Correct. What does ESA stand for in the US government agency NASA?
Space.
Correct. Which land mammal has the longest gestation period?
Elephant.
Correct. In standard snooker, the brown ball is worth how many points? 4. Correct. Which prehistoric era gives the paleo diet its name?
Paleolithic.
Correct. In cricket, which fielding position wears gloves?
Wicket keeper.
Correct. In Australia, what is the common name for a monitor lizard?
Piranha.
Correct. What is the first element of the periodic table?
Hydrogen.
Correct. Oh, team. So close. 6 seconds were all that stood between you and that $50,000. Well, 6 seconds and one super nerd.
I think I was a little lucky myself, but I did catch it.
I'm sorry to say I'm going to have to take that $50,000 from you. Thanks for being with us, and great to have your company. See you next time on The Chase Australia.